Flying a Beechcraft Baron represents a significant step up from single-engine flying, and it's a decision that deserves careful consideration, especially for pilots balancing safety, costs, and long-term enjoyment. At first glance, twins like the Baron offer some very tangible benefits. Engine redundancy is the most obvious. If one engine fails, you still have another to maintain flight, which can be a lifesaver in remote areas, over mountains, or when weather conditions deteriorate. The Baron's performance is also impressive. Faster climb rates, higher cruise speeds, greater range, and a larger payload make it ideal for cross-country trips or business flights where time and efficiency matter. For pilots flying with family, friends, or cargo, the Baron seems to promise both safety and capability. But here's where the story becomes more complex. Operating a twin-engine aircraft is not just more of the same. It's a whole different ballgame. Maintenance costs increase dramatically. Two engines mean double the oil changes, inspections, and the potential for mechanical issues. The fuel burn is significantly higher than a single-engine aircraft of similar size, and insurance premiums reflect both the value of the aircraft and the increased risk associated with twin operations. These costs aren't trivial. For some pilots, they can add thousands of dollars per year. Then there's the human factor. Flying a twin requires constant attention and proficiency. Handling an engine-out scenario introduces asymmetric thrust, complex emergency procedures, and increased workload during critical phases of flight. Even experienced pilots can make mistakes if they're not regularly practicing these scenarios or if they underestimate the challenges of managing systems in a high-performance twin. It's not just about the aircraft's capabilities. It's about the pilot's ability to fully control them under pressure. Compare this to a single-engine aircraft like a Cessna 182 Skylane, Piper Archer, or Cirrus SR-22. These aircraft are simpler, easier to operate, and more forgiving. While they lack the redundancy and speed of a twin, they allow pilots to focus on the joy of flying, reduce operational complexity, and keep costs manageable. Regular flying is more sustainable, and a single-engine aircraft, flown conservatively and smartly, can actually be safer than a twin flown without proper training, practice, or attention. Simplicity often equals consistency, and that consistency can translate into safer flying for pilots of all experience levels. Here's the deeper question. Is the Baron really safer? Or does it just make pilots feel safer because there's another engine? Confidence in the cockpit comes from skill, judgment, and experience, not necessarily the number of engines. For many private pilots, the trade-offs may not justify the perceived benefits. The Baron is undeniably impressive, but it demands respect, constant training, and a willingness to manage higher costs, complexity, and risk. Now, consider your priorities. Would you choose a twin like the Baron for redundancy, speed, and payload, fully aware of the costs and responsibilities? Or would you opt for a well-maintained single-engine aircraft, enjoying simplicity, reliability, and a lower-stress experience? How do you personally weigh financial risk versus in-flight safety? And does confidence in the cockpit come more from engines or from your own ability to manage them? I want you to think about these questions and join the discussion in the comments below. Share your experiences, your choices, and your reasoning. Are twins worth it for you? Or do singles provide everything you truly need? By engaging in this conversation, pilots can learn from each other's successes and mistakes, helping everyone make smarter decisions about the balance between risk, cost, and the pure joy of flying. The discussion isn't just theoretical. It's a way to see what works in the real world and to understand how choices about aircraft affect both safety and lifestyle in general aviation.